Hey drummers, Jim Linsner here along with Danusha Beats on video and editing. And today we're talking about the 6-stroke roll. Specifically, we're going to create some really slick hi-hat variations using the 6-stroke roll. And we're going to play the 6-stroke roll in an even sextuplet rhythm. What I mean by that is it's going to sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, right. Let's move it over to the hi-hat. So what we're going to do is we're going to play a simple 8th note rock groove, and we're going to insert a 6-stroke roll on beat 3. Okay? Remember that the 6-stroke roll is a sextuplet. We're fitting all 6 notes into one count. So what's going to happen is you're going to play right, left, left, right, right, left. Then you're going to bring the right hand over to the snare to play the backbeat on beat 4. Here's what that sounds like. Now we're going to put the 6-stroke roll on beat 2. And what that's going to mean is the right hand is going to play the snare on beat 2, and then left, left, right, right, left, right is back on the hi-hat. Now let's play 2 6-stroke rolls in the groove on beats 3 and 4. So you're going to start on the hi-hat on beat 3, right, left, left, right, right, left, and then you're going to move the right hand to the snare for beat 4 and leave all the rest of the notes, left, left, right, right, left, on the hi-hat. Check it out. Now let's put the 6-stroke roll on beats 2 and 3. That's going to mean on 2 you're going to start on the snare, all the rest of the notes on the hi-hat, and then on beat 3 you're going to play the whole 6-stroke roll on the hi-hat, but then on beat 4 you're going to have to bring the right hand back to the snare for the backbeat again. Okay, number 5, we're going to change things up a little bit. We're going to play the 6-stroke roll starting on the "and" of beat 2. Okay? And then we're also going to move the bass drum note from beat 3 over to the "and" of beat 3. And the reason is, it sounds cooler, and it's actually easier to play when the bass drum note comes at the end of the 6-stroke roll. Check it out. Number 6 is going to be completely different. We are going to play 2 6-stroke rolls on beats 3 and 4, but the orchestration is going to be a little funky, and I think you're going to love this. I certainly do. So starting on beat 3, you're going to play the hi-hat, then you're going to play left, left, right, right, left, right on the snare. Okay, so you're playing all the way up to and including beat 4. Then you're going to play left, left, right, right, left, the remainder of beat 4 on the hi-hat, and it's going to end with an open hi-hat on beat 1. I know that sounds like way too much information, but check it out. I'm going to play it slowly. I'm just going to play the lick really slowly right now before I play it with a groove. Okay, now let's take that idea and let's play it with a groove. Number 7, what we're going to do is we're going to play a constant 6-stroke roll on the hi-hat, and we're just going to bring the right hand to the snare on 2 and 4, and it's going to create this super busy, amazing sounding groove. Check it out. If we take that same groove we just played, but play the left hand on the snare drum, and I'm talking, the double strokes are quiet, the accents are loud, the phrasing has not changed at all, the rhythm is not changed at all, but check it out. If I play that same beat, but I play my left hand on the snare, this is what it sounds like. Is that cool or what? I love that. So one last orchestration. We're going to play the right hand on the bell of the cymbal. We're going to play the left hand on the hi-hat. We're going to bring the right hand over to the snare for beats 2 and 4. Again, the sticking has not changed. It's always right, left, right, left, right, left. And the phrasing has not changed. Make sure you're always maintaining the accented notes versus the unaccented notes. Check it out. All right, so that's 6-stroke rolls in the groove. I just wanted to leave you with one other idea. Those last 2 orchestrations we did, left hand and snare, right hand and hi-hat, and then right hand and bell, left hand and hi-hat, those can be applied to smaller amounts of 6-stroke rolls. Like the way we played number 1 was regular beat, but 6-stroke roll on beat 3. Well, how about doing that like this? Or how about doing it with the left hand and the snare? That stuff sounds really cool. Little bursts of, snare and hi-hat flurries always sound so cool. So experiment with that kind of stuff and get into your rudiments because there's a world of possibilities. I'm Jim Linsner. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.